Woo, students, we have come a long, long way. You guys are amazing. When we first started these Hello Mouse exercises, all we knew was the variations and we didn't know any other pieces. And this Hello Mouse piece is a big jump. It's a big step forward to a lot of new things. So we have learned how to do Hello Mouse in your house. I am walking up your stairs. And we have learned Hello Mousey in your housey. But we haven't quite put those together yet. So in this video, we're gonna do two things. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put those together, where we're gonna be able to say, hello mouse in your house, I'm walking up your stairs. And then we're gonna do hello mousey in your housey. And then I'm gonna teach you how to do open up and let me in. Okay, so first let's put together hello mouse in your house, I'm walking up your stairs, hello mousey in your housey, open up and let me in. So we start on the E and then we're gonna go to finger 2 for hello mouse. And then 3, in your house, I am walking up your stairs. And then I'm going to do hello mousey. I'm going to go E to finger 2 on the A. Hello mousey. Finger 3, in your housey. Let's see if I can do all of that. Hello mouse. In your house, I am walking up your stairs. Hello, mousey, in your housey. Ooh, I'm going to do that one more time, and then I'm going to ask you guys to pause and see if you can put that together like 3 to 5 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Hello, mouse, in your house, I am walking up your stairs. Hello, mousey, in your housey. Okay, put it on pause and you try to put those together. Make sure you're really listening for the difference between hello mouse and hello mousey. Okay, ready? Pause. Okay, and we're back. And the last thing we're gonna learn in this section is we're gonna learn open up and let me in. We're gonna be using a lot of finger 2 on this one, finger 2. For open, we start with 0. O, and then pen, we're going to put our finger 2 down. O, pen, and then for the word up, we're up here on the E string. Up. I'm just going to try those 3 notes. O, pen, up, again. O, pen, up. One more. Open up. Okay, now I'm going to try it with the bow. Open up. Again. Open up. Last time. Open up. Okay. Are you ready? You gonna try it? Okay, let's pause and I want you to do open up 3 to 5 times, and you can either pluck it first and then use the bow, or you can go straight into the bow, whichever one you want. Ready? Pause. Okay, so we're back, and now I'm gonna show you how to do the last part. Open up and let me in. We already know how to do open up. Open up. Now I'm going to add the word and. Open up. Okay, you just try that real quick. Just go straight to the bow and try like 2 or 3. Ready? Pause. Okay, and we're back, and I'm going to show you the let me in. Open up and let me in. Open up and back to finger 2 for let me in. Okay, here we go. Open up and let me in. I'm going to do 2 more. Ready? Go. Open up and let me in. Last time. Open up and let me in. Okay. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to do open up and let me in 5 times. 5 times. You can do it. Ready? Pause. Unpause. Good job. We've really come a long way. Okay, let's see if we can put all of that together now. Hello, mouse, in your house. I am walking up your stairs. And then, hello, mousey, in your housey. Open up and let me in. I'm going to put it all together. I'm going to show it to you twice. And then you can continue practicing up to that point. Alrighty, here I go from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. Hello, mouse, in your house. I am walking up your stairs. Hello, mousey, in your housey. Open up and let me in. There's one time I'm going to show you one more, and then it's going to be your turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Hello, mouse, in your house. I am walking up your stairs. Hello, mousey, in your housey. Open up and let me in. Okay, guys, congratulations. We've made it a long way, and pretty soon we're going to know the whole piece, and it's going to sound amazing. So practice hard, see if you can get all that put together, and then tell me about it in class when I see you next. Okay, guys, bye.